In this short Excel tutorial I want to show you a great function that's one of the lesser known functions in Excel, and it's the function called Proper. Now what Proper does is it fixes problems like what we have here in column A. Let's say I recently received this spreadsheet from somebody else, and it's obviously someone that didn't follow the conventions of writing in English. You can see that some of these movie titles are in all caps, others are in all lowercase, others follow some crazy other formula for what to capitalize and what not to capitalize. So fixing this is going to be pretty hard for me and pretty time consuming unless I know about the Proper function. So let's take a look at how to fix these capitalization irregularities in Excel. The first thing I would do is I would right click on the column to the right of the column that has the problem. So I'll right click there on the column letter and choose Insert to get a blank column that's right next to the column with the problem, and then I'll just go to the first available cell. I'll type in the equals sign and the word Proper. Then I'll put the left parenthesis and I need to select a cell that has improper capitalization. So here it is, cell A2. I just click there. I should put in a right parenthesis, but it's not necessary. So I'm not going to do it, and then I tap enter on the keyboard, and look what it did. It took this text and made it proper. Now the good news is I don't have to do that same formula again and again and again for each of these cells that have a problem. Instead, all I have to do is move my mouse on the lower right corner of that cell. You can see there's a little green square, and if you put your mouse pointer right on that square you should get a black plus sign. Just click and hold the click. Then drag down the page and then release the mouse click, and look what it did. It took all of my text and it made it all proper. Okay, great. Now the only problem is I have two columns that are duplicates, one that has lots of improper capitalization and one that is really good. You're going to be tempted to right click and delete column A, but if you do, look what happens. You mess up the data in the column that you fixed. So instead, this is what you should do. Click on column B to highlight the entire column, and then you can right click copy and then right click on column A, but don't paste. If you do, there will be some errors. Instead, go to Paste Special and click and switch it from Paste All to Paste Values. So it's going to paste just the values from column B, not the formulas. So I click on Values. Click OK. And now these are values, they are not formulas. If you look in the formula bar, there's no formula there, it's just text copied from column B. So at this point I can right click and delete column B, as I don't need that anymore. Now I have the movie titles and they're not dependent at all on any other column or data. I've cleaned up the irregular capitalization. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be useful. If you did, please click the like button below and consider subscribing. When you do subscribe, please click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. If you do that, you'll be notified whenever I post another video.